Welcome to echowin. Today, we're going to show you how easy it is to build an AI agent to handle your business calls. If you're already logged in, just head to your team settings in the bottom left and click Add Agent. You have two options. You can either select a pre-built template or start from scratch. We'll select Start from Scratch to build one from the ground up. First, give your agent a name. We'll call ours Charles. You can choose use cases for your agent like scheduling, customer support, or live transfers. Here, we're letting Charles know he'll be managing appointments and transferring calls for a barbershop. Next, enter your business name and a link. This can be your website or even just your Yelp listing. Next, pick your industry and click Create AI Agent. This helps the agent customize itself according to your business. Now, the AI goes to work. If you provided a link, your agent will visit that page to learn about your business. Even if you didn't, it will do its own research to make sure it's prepared. How cool is that? And we're done! Your agent Charles is ready. You'll see that the agent intelligently did its research, browsed the Yelp page for Papa Frank's Barbershop, and fetched all the relevant info to create these instructions automatically. On the right, you are recommended tools you can equip Charles with. We'll talk more about tools in the next video. And congratulations! Just like that, you have a professional AI agent ready to help your customers 24/7.